My name is Fredrik and I'm a blogger here at Fredrik's Fika in Sweden. And today I'm going to show you how to do raspberry caves, or as we say in Sweden, Hallongrottor. Raspberry caves is a shortbread cookie filled with raspberry jam and it's really tender and sweet. I'm going to do this recipe in grams because most scales can do both ounces and grams. So start with whisking together 200 grams of softened butter and 90 grams of powdered sugar, icing sugar. When everything is mixed, work the dough so it just comes together, put it on the countertop, divide in 2 pieces and then roll out to little logs and then divide every log into 16 smaller pieces. Roll every piece into a little ball. Now it's time for the cave part of this cookie. Either use your pinky finger and do a little cave, or you can use a citrus press and press gently until you get a pretty deep hole that we're going to fill with raspberry jam. The easiest way to fill your cakes is with a piping bag. Bake the cakes in 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Raspberry caves, the most tender little cookie you ever will try. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and if you want more recipes in English, they will follow after this one.